Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unpackaging here. It's not a watch, another knife, but this is it. Gonna be my last knife for the year. Maybe the next 2 years, I don't know, but I really need to put a stop to all these knives. So this will be the last one for a while here, unless I sell a bunch of stuff. So I'm really trying not to get into the knives too much. So this is the another Demko AD20.5. This is another Knifecenter exclusive. All right, so they just have the machinist case here. The other one that I got from Blade HQ had an actual nice fabric kind of pouch deal. So not sure why these guys just have the machinist case, but you know, whatever. I guess I buy the knife for the knife, not necessarily for the case. So I probably should have just bought this one instead of the other one that I bought, the Grivery one. Grivery, however you're supposed to say it. These cases take a bit. Definitely secure. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. There's the other pocket clip. So this is for left-handers, and the right-handed one's already installed. Sorry about that. So yes, this is carbon fiber. First ever knife I've had with carbon fiber, real carbon fiber at least. Probably the first anything I've had with carbon fiber. Yeah, I don't think I've had anything else with carbon fiber before. So definitely not as grippy as the titanium one that I have, but I kind of bought it for that. I wanted something that's easier to get in and out of the pocket. I may sell the titanium one. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to spend time with both of these. Actually, all three of these. I have 3 of these now. But this one is the 3V blade, and the Grivery one, Grivery, however you're supposed to say it, is the AUS 10A. So I mean, all I do is open boxes with these knives. Probably either one of them would be fine, but yeah. I guess technically neither of them are stainless steel. There's semi-stainless or whatever you want to call it, but I do have all 3 with the same blade type. And the other one I have, the AUS 10A, is the DLT coated black, which I don't really care for, but I bought it because it was on sale. So let me zoom out a little bit. I can get it to open, all these to open nice and easy, but the closing action, I don't know. I guess I'm just not doing it quite right. But there we go. So, of course, when I try and do it, pay attention, too much attention, I can't do it, but I can do it pretty good with reverse flick, the thumb flick. Then you can just open it with the shark lock as well. Press it back and flick it open. Yeah, fidget factor is off the hook with these things. I just keep fidgeting with them. I don't know what happened to me, but I never really had anything to fidget with like this before, and now that I have these in hand, I really want to fidget with them. So this is designed similarly to the Grivery one, where there's still this metal liner in here. The titanium one is just the titanium scales. It doesn't have a liner in there, which makes sense. I was kind of hoping or assuming that this one would not have a liner, but it does. So maybe just the action of this always wearing on the surface of the carbon fiber or the Grivery would probably wear it out. So I don't know if that's bad for it or not, but you can kind of make it flick open. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of this knife. I think it weighs the same as the Grivery. If I remember correctly, it's like 3.43 ounces, and then the full titanium one is, I think, 4.4 ounces or something to that effect. I'll get them on a scale. I'll compare all 3 of them together here sometime soon after I spend time with both of them. But I think I like this one. I was worried about it slipping out of my hand, fidgeting with it, but I don't think that will be a problem. Not quite there. Some folks recommended I get the skiff bearings. I don't know what that would feel like, but it feels pretty loose to me. So this shark lock system is pretty cool because you can just, well, you're not gonna be able to see it, but it almost drops from it almost closes from a position like this where you just let it go. You flick it a little bit, it'll do it. There we go. Because it's spring loaded, so it kind of closes itself. So very, very neat closing locking system here. All right, well, that will conclude this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell and like the video if you've liked it. And finally, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this knife. I prefer this blade shape over the clip point. I don't really care for the clip point blade. I mean, this isn't clip point, but I don't know. I just like the sheep's foot, Warncliffe, shark's foot type blade here. All right, as always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.